Hi, my name's Treydu. I'm a support engineer here at E1 Solutions. Today I'll be showing you how to set up an Excel file in SmartConnect.com. To get started with an Excel file, from the dashboard, you'll go to this Data Sources tab and hit the plus here to expand that. Once expanded, find the bulk sources over here, expand that once again. Then you'll have three options, either query, folder, or file. For this, we'll just do a file. Once you have selected file, this will bring up all of the existing file data sources that you have. As you can see, I already have a couple in here. But if we want to create a new one, and if you don't have any in here, you'll hit this plus button over here to create a new bulk file. You'll have three options. You can do Microsoft Excel, or not Microsoft, text file, or an XML file. This one does require Excel, and these other two don't require any Microsoft products. So I will go ahead and select the Excel one here. Give it a quick description of how about test for video. You do have to give this a description for it to actually work and for you to be able to save it eventually. Then you'll see this option, select file at runtime. This is if you have a basically template file and then you want to select different files that also have the same column headers in your integration. This is a bit more complicated, so we won't use that option for the time being, but it is a nice option to have on the data source side. Then once you make your choice there, you can go to select files, and this will use our source file. So I just have a simple one right here. And then if the source file is good, it'll be grayed out like this, and then you can go ahead and select the Excel sheet. So I will go ahead and select the sheet name. Time sheets, you might have the option of sheet 1 if you haven't changed any of the sheet names. So once you have all of this selected, go ahead and press save, and if it was also successful, you'll see this, and you'll be allowed to preview. And if the preview looks good and similar to what you have in actual Excel, you should be able to, I'll just prove that it looks the same in Excel here. And this is what we are expecting to see. It's the same exact column headers and data. So once that all looks good, you have already pressed save, so you don't need to press save again if you don't want to. It will be saved up here, so I can close out of it and search test for video, and it will be there. And that is all you have to do to create a simple file data source in SmartConnect.com. And there you go, you can see it. If you want to go back into there, I can either go ahead and clone it, or I can go into edit it, and you can see it works the exact same. So that is all you need to know to set up a simple Excel data source in SmartConnect.com.